Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear fan blower resistor. So if on your rear AC and heat, you've lost some control of the fan, maybe it works on the number 1 setting or the number 4 setting, but it doesn't work in the in-between settings, then you'll need to replace this part. And pretty easy. You'll need a small flat blade screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a socket and ratchet with 10 and 12 millimeter sockets. There's a small hook down low near rear compartment for the cargo net. You use a small screwdriver, pry off the little cap that you'll see, and then use a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screw. In the center is your latch hook. You use a small screwdriver to pry off the little plastic trim panel, and then a 12 millimeter socket or a wrench to remove the bolt that holds that in. Now on this lower panel, you want to pull out on each side, okay, and then pull it up, and just kind of move it out of the way on that side. Okay, there's another little trim hook. Use a small flat-blade screwdriver to remove the little trim door, a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw, and then carefully pry out on your panel. There's a few pins and clips that hold it in place. Okay, as you pull the panel back, you can see the rear blower motor, and there's 6 bolts to remove.
We got one here, one here, one here, one here, one here. Yeah, that one.
Now speed up as we remove those 6 bolts. Use a 10 millimeter socket with a ratchet and extension.
Back here, we need to unplug this. And then we have the blower motor resistor.
And on both the connections, the green one we did before and this one, there's a little tab that you just press with your finger and then work the connector out. Now just use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 2 screws that hold in the resistor.
Here's the new resistor from 1AAuto. Wow, fits right in.
Okay, speed up here as we go to bolt it back in. Obviously, make sure you remember to plug the resistor back in, plug the fan motor assembly itself back in as you put it in, get it into place correctly, and then start your 6 bolts. And in a second, we'll do a quick test.
Working great.
And with the successful test, we'll just start putting the side panel back in place. Attach all the clips first, put that screw in up top, get the lower panel down in. You push it down first, then lock the pins on the side, put that latch hook back on with your 12 millimeter socket, hold it in place with a screwdriver if you have to, Phillips screwdriver to put the last hook back on. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.